last for over a year and then they'll dry out.
Some don't dry as much as others, but they still, I wouldn't get
It's the
them.
lamest. Wait till last minute, you don't have the choice of prices. You buy it in advance, you get good deals.
I would. Never all you say. But give me a.
Who's on the?
Oh, the driftwood is all the way on the other side of the
Yeah,
yard.
like 5 feet away.
It's not 5 feet away.
Underthrown by Ben Roethlisberger. A little bit of a push right there. 60 Minutes goes to the Ebola hot zone to report on how the Americans fighting the outbreak are doing to contain it. It's otherworldly.